Suspenders na play. Number 23, to go to number 9. Number 10. Number 9 again, to go to number 1. Right to shoot. And good for goal by jersey number 1. Number 23 for 3. Air ball. Number 1. To go to number 10. Number 10 yun. Tingnan na ang dress. Masyado malakas. Number 25. Dribbling to go for Team PCBC. Number 21 to number 23. Back to number 25 for Team to shoot. Power for 3. Back to shoot. 4-0. Big shot. Third place ako. Basket. 29. 23 level. To number 1 inside. Pass at Lugod. Napasa ni number 23. Number 23 naman, to go to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 15. To go to number 5 inside. Hindi na basta kay number 27. Stolen by Garci. To go to number 10. Number 10 ngayon. No basket. Put back. Wala na naman. Nakuha number 21. But to number 25. Number 23 ngayon. Number 23, who about that? Bring it away! Let's go! Number 1. Balsi. Pass to jersey number 26, back to number 1. Passes, 5, 4, 3! Passes, 3! Number 15, sasalat ko ng dress. Go basket. Wala pa yung jersey natin na. To jersey number 1. Number 1 yun. Dire-diretso. Wala. And counter. Number 25. To jersey number 23. Tapawan. Tapawan by. Tapawan pa rin. 50 to shoot. Is stolen by number 26. Number 1. Pass to number 26. Ang tip na binaw ng tubo. Number 29. Number 25, tumira ng tres, shoot, pagkat sa kawan, is good. Number 1, to number 26, pass to jersey number 9, 15 to shoot. Stolen by jersey number 25. Number 9. Number 1. Balisi. To jersey number 29. Number 29 yun. To number 23. Waiting to shoot. Number 1. Inasuda Andres. Wala. Number 9 for the rebound. But there's a contact. Number 9 to jersey number 1. Number 1 inabot. And the photo. Ulayan. Pass to jersey number 12. Number 12 drives and finds number 15. No basket. At Lugod to jersey number 1. Number 1 yun. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 9. Pipilit. And it's a rebound. Number 25. Number 25 ngayon. To number 15. Inasita Andres. Masyado malakas. Number 12 ngayon. Number 12. Tinambahan. Wala. Nakuha na number 9. Number 9 ngayon. To jersey number 1. Number 25. Pass to number 12, 5, 4, 3. Shoot. Number 11 for the rebound. 10 to shoot. Number 11. And there's the contact. Pass to number 11. Number 11 yun. Drop pass. Tumama. Number 15. The jersey number 5 to shoot. Number 25 forced the shot. And basket. Number 1. Balisi. The jersey number 26. Back to number 1. Tumira na ang tres. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Almost stolen. Number 11. No basket. Number 21. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Number 1. Balsi. Hintingin ni number 23. Number 23. Tumira na ang tres. Number 23. Number 25. Pass to number 15. Back to number 25. Sasagot po ng tres. Short. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Number 10. Umatake. Good for 2. Number 25 ngayon. To number 12. Number 12 ngayon. To versus number 11. There to shoot. No basket. Number 12 ngayon. Number 0. To versus number 25. Number 1. To number 25. Good for 2. Number 25, Vilaya. Pass to jersey number 27. Number 11, Steve Wolf. Number 21. Rebound the ball. To jersey number 11. And to shoot. Denied by number 25. Number 25 in one down. No basket. Rebound by number 0. To jersey number 25. Number 1. To number 26, to Milan Andres. Number 26, Rebecca Mata. Number 11, Vanderbilt to jersey number 3, Lalugan. To number 12, wide open for 3, to score. Number 26. Number 25 ngayon. Tumira ng tres. Number 25 to win. Number 0. Pass to number 25. Good for 2. Last 2 minutes. Number 21. 100 shot. No basket. Dari sa konta. Foul. Pass to jersey number 26, Basis. Back to Balsi. 14 to shot. And number 25, Ilayat. Pass to number 5. And there's a foul. Basket. Line up. No basket. Strong rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 1. That's Balsi. Number 10 yun. To number 26 for 3. Number 26 to win. Number 25. To jersey number 11. Number 11 ngayon. Tumira. Wala. Put back is good. Number 1. To jersey number 26. No basket. Number 0. Take away shot. Short. Rebound by number 5. To jersey number 25. Ilaya ngayon at Mamadi. Ilaya. No basket. Number 10. To jersey number 1. Passes. Easy basket. Last 30 seconds. Number 11. Down to 35 seconds. Layunan for 3. Layunan. Rebound. 15 seconds remaining. Number 1. Down to 10. Inside pass. 5 seconds. Number 0. Stolen by number 11. Stolen by contact. Basket. Last throw. No basket. And that's then. Number 1 ngayon. Inside pass. Brought by number 23. Number 25, pass to number 23. Number 23 ngayon, ang atake! And good for 2. Number 1. Number 1 ngayon, Darcy. 15 to shoot, to passes. Number 23, fast ball 3. And it out, 15 is good for jersey number 10. Number 25, inside pass. Masyadong malakas. Nakuha ko lang yung number 10. Number 1 na yan, Bansi. Supposed to number 10. 15 to shoot. Passing sa the corner 3. Gusto. Supposed to number 0. Para may goal. Number 20, still in man the ball. Supposed to number 1. Number 0 ngayon. Take shot. Denied. And it's a free goal, 23. Started by Jesse number 12. Number 12. Good for goal. Number 10. Forward, ikal mo ang tingin mo. Number 10 ngayon, tumila ng 3. And there's sa contact. Foul on Jesse. Ready line up. Basket. To number 25. Number 25 setting up a play for Team PCBC. Number 25. Pass to jersey number 15. Wala. Number 0. Number 15 number 23. To jersey number 12. Number 12. To number 15. Basket, strong rebound by jersey number 0. Securing the ball. Jersey number 23. Palisi ngayon. Pass to number 29. Dahil sa play. Number 25. Ilayat ngayon. Ilayat. Pass to number 23. Reverse shot. Denied. Pass for rebound. Jersey number 1. Number 1 ngayon, to number 23. Number 23, to drop shot, Bislo. Number 25 again. Number 25, pass to number 11. 15 to shoot, back to number 25. Number 23, 10 to shoot. Number 23, huligan niya number 11. Pero wala, pass for rebound. Number 10 ngayon, to number 1. Number 1, to number 10. 15 to shoot. Policy, finds number 23. 10 to shoot. Number 10. To number 29. Number 29 ngayon, pumilit. Masyado malakas. Number 0. And good for goal. Number 25. Is he goal? And captain! Basket down. Basket. Number 23, wide open. Two score. Number 29, magawa ng bukas sa ilalim. Layugan. Number 25, jersey number 11. Very easy basket. Number 1. Quality ngayon. Pass to number 29. To number 23. Number 0 inside. takeaway shot. This is the goal. It's so good for Team Madrid. Number 25, Laila Cardi, short. Jersey number 1. That's Balisi. Balisi ngayon. To number 23, back to Balisi. Number 10, denied. Given by number 5. Recovered by Balisi. Balisi ngayon. Pinasa ka number 23, pero wala. Number 11, long pass to number 12, Solenso. Number 23. Jersey number 1. Balisi ngayon. To jersey number 23, tumulong ng press. Balisi. Number 23, Bruno. Number 25. He's being the shot. Number 25, Pawile. Wala. Number 25, Brentante. Baso. Parang pa rin ang blue team. Number 23. That's the best number 1. 15 to shoot. To jersey number 9. Cortez. To Balisi Jones for 3. Number 1. Pulido. Number 25. Sasagot si number 12. Pero masyado malakas. Number 9. To number 1. Number 23 ngayon. 15 to shoot. Isang pass to Cortez. Number 23 for 3. No basket. To jersey number 25. That's Silayat. Number 25, wala. Cover shot, wala naman. Rebound by number 25. To jersey number 1. Yusuf. 15 to shoot. Balisi. Pass to Cortez. Drop pass. Number 25. Pero Malti na sila. Yusuf. Almost stalled. Time for rebound. Number 12. Pass number 25. Good for 2. Number 1. To jersey number 26. Number 26. 15 to shoot. Number 1. To the jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. To jersey number 26. 4-3. Short. Nakuha pa rin ang puko. Pass to number 9. Nabitawan. Number 25 ngayon. Number 25. Cortez. My feet ang ating ready lineup. Basket again. 5. Ilayat. Ilayat ngayon. Diretso. Pero wala. Rebound by number 25. To jersey number 26. Number 26 ngayon. Passes. 15 to shoot. Passes alone. Number 11 ngayon. Number 11. Layugan. Layugan. Binigyan niya number 5. Pero may first throw. No basket. Last throw. Basket. Jersey number 16. Number 16 ngayon. To number 22. Back to number 16. First throw to the basket. Pero wala. There's a free ball violation. Number jersey number 12. Number 25 ngayon. Number 25 to jersey number 11. To number 12. Number 25. 10 to shoot. No basket. Rebound by number 22. Number 22 ngayon. Number 22. To jersey number... Rosalon! Lucky na! Number 25. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 12, 14. Wala. Number 25. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 9. Pass to jersey number 26. 15 to shoot. To jersey number 16. Inside pass. To number 25. Number 25. Pero wala. Sayang na sayang pare. Number 5. To jersey number 25. Number 25 will be goal. And contest. Basket shot. Bonus throw. No basket. Rebound by jersey number 9. Number 9 yun. To jersey number 25. 50 seconds. Number 25. Good for 2. 45 seconds. Number 3. Layugan yun. Layugan. Layugan pa rin. Pass number 11. 15 to shoot. Last 30 seconds. Number 12 to number 5. Drop pass sa kalaban. Number 9 yun. To jersey number 22. Number 26. Using the board. Wala. Nakuha number 25. 13 seconds. Down to 10. Good for 2 by number 5. 5 seconds. Number 25. To jersey number 9. So, Martinez pa rin. Still no basket. Number 3 and penalty. 25. To jersey number 11. Back to number 25. Number 11 yun. Number 11. Inside pass. Good for 2 by jersey number 12. Number 1. Balisi. Jersey number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Passes for 3. Passes. 3. Number 25. Vilayat. Jersey number 15. Number 15 na yun. 15 to shoot. To number 11. Back to number 15. Number 15 na yun. 8 to shoot. Down to 5. Number 15. Kaya naman 3. Wala. Number 1. Balikin na yun. Number 29. In and out. Number 20. Number 25 na yun. Good for 2. Number 1. Number 1 yun. Balisi. Eugene shot clock. Number 10. Down to 10. Stolen by number 25. So, what's it? Pass to number 15. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Number 11 yun. And good for 2 by number 21. Number 1. Balisi ngayon. Luis Carte. Balisi. Hindi number 29.
Oh, nice block!
Number 21. Pada ko to jersey number 29. And good for 2. Number 25. Number 25 to number 11. Osparet. 21. Tulipan the ball to jersey number 25. Tumira ng 3. Sobrang lakas. Bati. Number 25. Number 12 ngayon dire-diretso. Pero wala. Rebound by number 0. Kunin number 10. Number 10 to the basket. No basket. Number 25. Nakita wala puso. Number jersey number 25. Number 25 ngayon. On down to the free throw line and yes sir! By jersey number 25. Number 10. The jersey number 26. Who's speed to shoot. Inside pass to number 0. Plays out and there's a one now. Castro. No basket. Rebound by number 21. Pass to jersey number 25. Ryan. Number 25 ngayon. 15 to shoot. Number 25 for 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 15. To jersey number 11 for 3. Number 11. Number 23. To jersey number 10. No basket. Rebound by jersey number 12. Number 12 ngayon. Pass to jersey number 21. Number 21 lays up and good for 2. Number 1 ngayon. To jersey number 26, Bakis. Long pass to number 23. Pero namin na. To jersey number 25. Number 25 ngayon. Serya po play. O team PCBC. Number 11 hiningi ang buko. Number 11 nakatawan ng bola. Number 25. Number 25 lumatake. Good for 2. Number 25. Number 25 ngayon. Number 25. Si jersey number 21, 15 to shoot. And good for 2 by number 15. Number 23. Si jersey number 1. Pero may Peterson. No basket. Basket plus Ilayat. Ilayat ngayon. Pass to Ilayat. 15 to shoot. Ilayat ngayon. Binigay kay number 15. Number 15 is Steve Moon. Number 11 down to the free throw line. Good for 2. Number 1. Number 1 ngayon. Jersey number 23. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Jersey number 16. 9 to shoot. Number 26 for 3. Enough. Rebound by number 21. Number 25 ngayon. Number 25. Tumira na ang press. Masyado malakas. Rebound by number 16. Number 26. Pass to jersey number 1. Tumama. Number 12 ngayon. Number 17. Number 11 rather. Good for 2. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng team interest. Number 16. To jersey number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 1 ngayon. Umatake. No basket. Number 16. 10 to shoot. Tumira na ang press. Wala. Hinagay ka si number 15. Number 25 lays up. And good for 2. Swing. Number 26. Tumira na ang press. Wala. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Number 12. Pero wala. Number 11 ngayon. Number 11. Bigyan niya number 25. 15 to shoot. Tumira na ang press. Number 25. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. 15 to shoot. Para si Sasalo. Wala. Number 29. 23 rather. Pass number 1. 10 to shoot. Denied by number 21. 5 to shoot. There's a 3 seconds violation of Panginoon. Number 11 ngayon. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 12, tumira na Andres. Sino na? Iwan ka jersey number 1. Pass ngayon. Number 9. Pass to jersey number 1. Number 1 ngayon. 15 to shoot. To jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Number 10 ngayon. Number 10, lays up. No basket. Number 25, wala naman. Kapigang tubo. Nakuha ni number 23. Wala naman. And good pressure by jersey number 1. Number 21, to jersey number 15. Number 15 ngayon. To number 21, 15 to shoot. To number 11. Number 11 ngayon, pero may pino sa'yo. Number 15, to jersey number 12. Number 12, binalik sa kanya. Number 12 inside, wala. Number 21, wala naman. Number 21 again, wala naman. Number 15, 15, wala pa rin. Number 21, nabitawan to 4. Number 23, to jersey number 9, wala rin. Dahil for rebound. Number 23, to jersey number 22. Number 1, Thomas for 3, no basket. Number 21, to jersey number 25. Number 25 ngayon, pumilit, pero wala. Number 1 ngayon. Napatik, nako ni number 9. Last 36 seconds. 15 to shoot. 30 seconds. No basket. Number 9. The shot, ready line up. No basket. The best of first throw. Basket. The jersey number 11. Number 11 ngayon. To jersey number 25. 15 seconds remaining. Number 25. 10 seconds remaining. Number 25 ngayon. Nakalusot, pero wala. Number 21. 5 seconds. Pinibang the ball. Jersey number 9. Pass to number 23, Kapawan. Kapawan, blocked by number 29. Number 5 ngayon. Rebound by number 29. To jersey number 23. Number 26 ngayon. To jersey number 1. Number 29. Sinapit sa kalaban. Baseball pass to number 12. Easy basket. Number 1. Balik ngayon. Pass to jersey number 23. 29 na rin. To number 1. Garan by number 11. Number 29. Passes for 3. Pero may tiros ko rin. Number 0. Jumps. Rebel. Rebound by number 11. Pass to jersey number 25. Number 25 ngayon. Ilayat. Binigay kay number 12. Back to Ilayat. Ball 3. No basket. Strong rebound by number 26. Number 12 ngayon. Number 12. Pass to jersey number 23. Umatagit. Tonight. Number 11. To number 23. 4-3. Number 23. 3.
Guys, lamang na ng
Number 1. Pass to jersey number 29. Number 29. Speed move. Good for 2. Number 23 ngayon. Pass to jersey number 5. Number 5, number 12. Number 12 ngayon, 9 to shoot. Number 23, no basket. Number 10 ngayon, nakasip number 25, number 10 pa din. Number 1, tumula ng press, wala. Number 0.
Oh, nice one! Hey!
Number 12 ngayon. Number 12 pa rin si jersey number 21. No basket, put back is good. Bumawi sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Number 1. Si jersey number 25. Number 25 ngayon. No basket. Number 10. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 25. Pero Martinez ulit. Number 11. Jersey number 23. Number 23 ngayon. 15 to shoot. Number 21. 10 to shoot. Number 23 to jersey number 12. Number 12, in and out. Tinagaw ni number 25. Number 1 to jersey number 0. Good for two. Number 12. Number 12 ngayon. To jersey number 11. To jersey number 25. 15 to shoot. Number 25 ngayon. 10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Pero Martinez ulit. First throw. Basket. Basket. Lucky bang. Number 1 ngayon. 15 to shoot. Number 26, tumila ng 3. Wala. Number 11, number 21 ngayon. Number 21, Cindy Nambugo. Good for two. Number 10 ngayon. Number 10, Sante. No basket. Ball for rebound. Number 11 ngayon. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Balising ngayon. Number 25. Yung kumanda doon. Jersey number 0. Good for two. Number 21. Number 21 ngayon. Number 21. 14 to shoot. Number 21. Good for two. 1. Inside pass. Number 25. Basket. Number 12. To jersey number 11. To jersey number 12. 15 to shoot. Number 12 ngayon. Binigay ka number 21. Drop pass ka number 12. Number 12 ngayon. Wala target. Pero wala. Number 23. Number 23. Kaya pass. No basket. Number 21 will try. Still no basket. So rebound by number 10. Pass to jersey number 23. Number 23 ngayon. Dire-diretso. Pero rebound. Number 25. Just for two.
And guys, lamang ulit ang team and press ng dalawa.
Number 10. To jersey number 11. Number 11 ngayon. Wala. Number 21. Stolen by jersey number 10. Number 1 ngayon. Number 1. Umatake. Pero wala. Tabing pugo. Finish shot. Wala naman. Number 1 by number 23. Number 25. Number 25 to number 11. Number 12 ngayon. Number 21. Good for two. block na naman tayo, mga kapatid. Step back. Wala. Bumabagay si number 21. Pass to number 25. Number 25, Ilayat na yun. Ilayat! No basket! Number 21. Adjust si number 23. Number 23 ngayon. 10 to shoot. Number 23. Adjust si number 25. Number 25. Wide open by 3. No basket. Number 23. Number 10 ngayon. Pass si number 25. Good for goal. 25. Number 25 ngayon. Players, please go to work. Hindi namin nakikita ng management. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10 ngayon. Lumatagi. Nalulusay ang Number 23 ngayon. Number 23. 50 to shoot, pass to number 25. Number 25 ngayon. 10 to shoot. Number 25. Ilayat ngayon. 10 to shoot. Ilayat ngayon. Pero may pila sila. Basket. Basket, ready line up. Basket again. Number 9 ngayon, tuloy si number 1. Number 1 ngayon, lumatagi! Good for goal! Number 23. Tuloy si number 12. Number 12, tuloy si number 21. Pero may pin. No basket. Last throw. Still no basket. Lumatagi si number 9. Number 1 ngayon. Tuloy si number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 10 ngayon. Tapos ang magawa ng ball. Burning. Ulipan the ball. Tuloy si number 15. Number 15 ngayon. Tuloy si number 7. 27 lalo. Good for 2. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Change ball. Number 9. Tuloy si number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 10 ngayon. 10 seconds. Tuloy pa si number 15. Tuloy si number 25. Number 25. Yes, goal. Last 56 seconds.
Guys, good luck.
Number 25. Tuloy si number 15. Number 11. 15 to shoot. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. 20 seconds. Time out. Number 0. Number 0 ngayon is Steve Bob. Number 11. Number 11 ngayon. Nagdala na ng buo for Team PCBC. Number 15. Number 23. 10 to shoot. Tuloy si number 25. Mga basket. Number 21. Basket down. Foul number 10. Hit to the head foul. Bonus shot. 12 seconds. Number 10. Foul. Bonus shot. Basket. And there's the hot top. Number 1 in the ball. Tuloy si number 23.